All right, guys, what we got for you today, 2012 Chevy Cruze RS Turbo. Really nice red color. It's got factory converter up there right off the turbo. Then a flex pipe, then 2-inch pipe, a secondary converter right there. Then we did a resonator delete and put a 2 1/4 intermediate pipe in its place. Then continued his 2-inch pipe and did a muffler delete. And on these, the muffler delete is a weird shaped muffler. I'll show it to you guys. It goes right in the center here, like that. And then another pipe comes out and goes through here to the tailpipe right there. So what we did is we cut it there and run a new pipe all the way in its place and reuse his tailpipe. Let me show you the muffler. So the muffler goes like that. That inlet goes in here, and then another outlet goes through there to the tailpipe like I showed you. And there's the resonator. So they're really huge. They really tried to quiet down this car. So hopefully it's gonna sound really good. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Chevy Cruze Turbo. Straight pipe. Again. Right at 100. That turbo takes a lot of the sound away. Go ahead. This is everything we cut off if you guys skipped in the video. That's the resonator and that's the muffler. Chevy Cruze LT. It says RS on the side and then LT on the back. So I don't know. They keep coming up with more and more badges. One more. Let you guys hear it on the inside. 2012 Chevy Cruze. Big gas. Go ahead.